I'm Mulyani, and then I'm a lecturer at Mereka, especially about the English major. And then at BSE today, the students have got about English general because they try to introduce about themselves as a formal or informal, and then I hope they can develop about their skill and able to describe about the family, and then they try to know recently about their environment, and then they try to communicate with their friends, not only in campus but also in out of the campus. As we know, at BSE in English General, the students have got about project-based learning because they try to learn about something, especially they want to make about something. For example, they discussing something with their friend and then try to solving about their problem, and then try to develop about critical thinking, and then try to collaboration with the other friend. And then this is about the project-based learning, and then the student try to make about creating a video and podcast about the topic and interest, and then writing and forming a skill and play, and then try to discussing something, and then make about the video, and then make about the conversation about the situation today or the real situation. And then I hope the student try to improve and have got a good skill to have about project-based learning. Okay, thank you.
Today I will deliver a presentation that consists of two parts. The first part is about the new President Indonesia, that is Prabowo Subianto, and the second part is the usage of modal in request in English grammar. Now let's begin with the first part.
Smoking on campus is becoming more common due to a sense of freedom or habit. Some universities provide smoking area, while the others implement a smoke-free campus policy. An impact the smoking on campus area.
Everyone, welcome to our English project 2 with me, Rasti.
And Kanaya. Our project is similar to a podcast. So, this is our perspective as students. Our opinion and discussion about important issues happening in Indonesia.
What are you doing, Rifana?
Hi, I'm studying while ending the
Oh, okay. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And how about you?
I'm fine, thank you. By the way, can you believe that we are going to graduate time?
I know, right? Time goes by so fast. It feels like we just start college yesterday.
I'm very happy to learn English in here because we learn many things and the material taught here is very easy to understand. We should learn English because it will be pathway to our future. Learning English is also very easy because we can learn it through music, video games, and other fun activities.
Hello, I'm Rafina. I'm gonna talk about my opinion studying English at campus BSI. English learning plays such a big role in improving communication skills and building confidence in communication. English allows students to connect with people from different cultures and access global information easily. It also support academic development and support better career for opportunities. Learning English at BSI campus is enjoyable and helpful because the lessons are easy to understand. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pengampu and I'm a student of University of Mereka, and I am going to tell something about my opinion in this class English. Learning English at BSI has been a valuable and enjoyable experience for me. The learning process was structured, practical, and easy to follow, which helped me improve my understanding step by step. The lecturer was supportive and encouraged us to be active, confident, and not afraid of making mistakes. Because of this, I feel more comfortable using the English for daily activity and academic situation. In my opinion, English is an important language because in today's global era, especially English offers many opportunities for us in education, career, and technology. By mastering English, we can access more information, talk to some people in another country, and improve our self-development. Therefore, learning English is not only a subject at campus, but it's also a long-term investment for our future. Yeah, that's only for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shafina. In my opinion, learning English is important because it is an international language used around the world. It helps people communicate with others from different countries and access more information in education and technology.
Learning English at BSI has been a great experience. The lessons are clear, the lectures are supportive, and the learning environment is comfortable. This has helped improve my skill and confidence. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amira Salsabila. In my opinion, learning English in university gives a positive experience. This course helps me improve my basic English skills, especially speaking and understanding simple conversation. The learning process also makes me more confident to use English in daily and academic situations. Overall, this subject is useful and important for my future.
Hello, my name is Julfa Sabil Huda. I'm so very proud and very happy for learning English because learning English is simple and basic. Why we do need to learn it? Today, English has become an international language and is very useful for the future. For example, of the benefit of English besides being used in daily life include gaining global work experience and making communication easier, especially for those who enjoy further traveling.
Learning English at Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika has improved my confidence and communication skills. The lessons help me apply English in academic and professional contexts. English also plays an important role in global communication, career opportunities, and access to international knowledge.
Thank you for this semester. I hope you will improve in the next semester. Bye. Thank you to join my class for this semester, and then I hope you will meet again for the next semester. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Kuliah BSI Agar.